In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not working or not responding. First thing I recommend is right-clicking on your Chrome, then Properties, Compatibility, then just tick on these two options. Click Apply and then OK, and try and see if it works. Another thing, you can go to Task Manager, and what you'll do here is end the task. So just close down Chrome if you see it. If you see it here, just click End Task. Anywhere you see it, and under Details, you will do the same thing. So if you see Chrome, what you'll do is right-click and Process Tree. And once you do this, try to reopen the Chrome and see if it works. Now, another thing you can try is search for Chrome over here and try to open it from here. So if it works from here, so what you'll do is just right-click, Open File Location, and find the Chrome that works, and you'll just create like a shortcut for it. So if you go here to show more options, you'll see create shortcut. So if you create a shortcut, and then down here, let's see. Okay, so the shortcut was actually created and placed here, as you can see. So you can just close this down and use this shortcut. And when you open this, hopefully it should work and open normally. Now, if you're still having issues, what you can try and do is just go to Control Panel and Programs and Features. Over here, you'll find the Chrome. Uninstall it. And then when you reinstall it, you'll have to use like Microsoft Edge. So just like search for Edge here. And you can also use like Firefox as well, like use Firefox or Microsoft Edge. And then search for Chrome, download, and just download it from this website. And once you download it, you should be able to hopefully be able to use it again, and that's it.